In this lesson, we'll go over how to edit and generate groundwater elevation graphs. On the left side menu, click on Reports. Then, towards the middle of the left side menu, you'll see the option Elevation Graphs. Click on that option. When you open this option, you have a few different things that you can do. You can select and turn on or off different dates you want included in your report. You can also select the different sample locations you want reported. When selected, this will bring up a series of line graphs for all the dates and locations you have selected for your project. Groundwater elevation will be displayed as a thick blue line on the graph. The top of the screened interval will be displayed as a black line, and the bottom of the well will be displayed as a brown line. The screen interval is represented as the space between the black line and the brown line. The blue line represents the groundwater elevation relative to the screened interval. The groundwater elevation scale and the units are displayed on the left side of the graph. Depending on the data range for groundwater elevation may change from graph to graph for maximum vertical exaggeration. If you scroll down to the bottom of the menu just above the Generate Report button, you will see a box labeled Free Product Elevation. If you check that box on, the Free Product Elevation line will be displayed on the graph as a thick red line. This red line will appear only for sample locations and dates that have a recorded free product elevation. You can check the box on or off according to your preferences. The key to the line color and pattern is at the top of each graph. If you hover your cursor over any of the dates that appear on the live graph to the right, the data value for each selected parameter will appear in a pop-up box. Once you have your report formatted the way you like it, save each section's preferences by clicking the orange Save button under each section so that they are saved for any future reporting. Then go to the bottom and click the Generate Report button. This will generate a PDF report of the groundwater elevation graphs exactly as you formatted them. That is how you select and generate groundwater elevation graphs.